Okay, the question at times we get, why would I want to order a fish from you, assembled versus unassembled? It's a pretty obvious answer. If you're a taxidermist that's very busy and you don't have time, ordering something assembled will get you there much faster. Now, that being said, what's happening with our 3D printed fish, which again is another big bonus to ordering one that's 3D printed, is that we are attaching all the fins to the fish, and that's the way you get it. You don't get it with the unattached fins, except in certain circumstances of large fish, such as sturgeon or big giant muskie and things like that. The fins are all attached other than the paired fins. So when you buy the blank and you get it, and it's 3D printed, say you buy a crappie or a walleye, you're going to get it with the caudal fin will be on, your soft dorsal, your anal fin, your spiny dorsal, all that will be on the body of the fish, completely attached, actually printed to the body. So we don't like print a body and then put all that together in our studio. It is all printed as a one-piece unit. So there's no cracking, there's no putty, there's no grinding, there's nothing. It's a perfect transition from the body to the fin. All those little scales, all that's there for you. You're ready to rock and roll. You get it, you put your paired fins in. We left those off simply because there's certain artisans that want to have the freedom to get their airbrush in behind this area here and be able to paint those scale patterns, and the same on the bottom. Or if they don't want to do it that way, they can attach them and paint away. You're ready to go. So we left that as an option there for them. The eye is not included. You have to put that in. Other than that, within literally, I'm guessing 15 minutes or so, once you get the fish out of the box, 15 minutes of work of putting on your paired fins, setting your eye, you're ready to go. You're ready to start painting. That, I think, is pretty unheard of in the fish industry. You don't see that as the norm of what most people will get.